Hi guys, welcome to Mechanical Special. In this video, we are going to discuss the main symptoms of a bad ignition switch. An ignition switch is a mechanical or electronic device in a vehicle that is used to start and stop the engine. It plays a crucial role in controlling the electrical power supplied to various components of the vehicle when the engine is either running or turned off. The ignition switch of the car is typically located on the back of the ignition lock cylinder, where you insert the key. Symptoms of bad ignition switch. 1. Car engine won't start. The main function of the ignition switch is to help to start the vehicle. If your ignition switch goes bad, your vehicle engine won't start. A faulty ignition switch will not properly supply power to the ignition system, starter motor, and other engine controls, causing the engine not to start. 2. Stalling. A faulty ignition switch can cause the engine to stall or suddenly shut off while driving, which can be dangerous. If you notice your engine cutting out unexpectedly, especially when jiggling or moving the ignition key, it's a clear sign of a potential issue. 3. Inability to turn the key. If you find it impossible to turn the key in the ignition switch, it may be stuck or damaged. This can happen due to wear and tear or the accumulation of debris inside the switch. 4. Check engine light. When your vehicle's computer monitors an issue with the ignition switch, it usually turns on the check engine light. This light is usually located on the vehicle dashboard. 5. Intermittent power loss. The ignition switch controls electrical power distribution in your vehicle. If you experience irregular power loss to various components, such as the lights, radio, or dashboard instruments, this may indicate a problem with the ignition switch. 6. Steering wheel lock problems. The ignition lock has a mechanical lock for the steering wheel. This lock protects your vehicle by stopping the steering wheel when parking. A failing switch may cause difficulties with unlocking the steering wheel, making it hard to turn or release the key. 7. Accessories not working. When you turn the ignition to the ACC position, you should be able to operate accessories like the radio and power windows. If these accessories don't work in the ACC position, it may be due to a faulty ignition switch. 8. Key won't come out. In some cases, a bad ignition switch can prevent the key from being removed from the ignition, even when the engine is turned off and the vehicle is parked.